BYU continued their You Are Loved campaign on campus this week with a therapy dog meet and greet in the Wilkinson Center at 10 a.m. on Friday. This event allowed students to de-stress with the help of some furry companionship and treat-motivated tricks.
She's really close, but...
I came to see the dogs today because I have a dog at home and I'm used to having animals around, but my apartment doesn't allow animals and I don't know if I can afford one right now. So it was, once I heard about it, I thought it would be just really nice to go see dogs again.
Savannah Nichols is a student at BYU who participated in the campaign to lower student stress during midterm season. For many students, this time in the semester proves to be intense, calling for elevated academic performance.
I have a lot of assignments due on Fridays, so it's kind of nice to have a second to just not think about that, and even if it's only for 5 minutes or whatever, and be able to pet the dogs.
As a result of positive feedback from the students, BYU Communications has announced more events with the therapy dogs of Utah Pet Partners to be held soon in March.
Betty, she says to see, what is that? Okay.